In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a new folder in Laptop for Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and there are multiple methods for it. So, for example, I'm going to use a few files. We'll just use these 3 files right here, but you can use any sort of file types, it doesn't really matter. So if I'm on my desktop, what I can do is right-click, and I'm going to see New as one of the options. Then I'm going to see Folder. All I got to do is click on that, and as you can see, a new folder is made right here. So now I can rename it anything I want. So we'll just name it test. I already have one, which I didn't realize. So I'll just name it test 1. And now once it's made, it's like that. Now what I can do is I can just drag and drop them like usual. But I can also open this up. Once it's opened up, it's going to look something like this. Now what I can do is drag and drop. And it's going to say move to the test 1 folder. So I can do it like that. But let's say I don't want to do it like that. And I want to do it a different way. So, they're all here again and everything. What I could also do is go ahead and right click it, and then I can see copy. And then I want to go to my folder, right click, and then I also can just go ahead and press paste right there. And now they are all here. Now, what I could also do is I can make a folder within a folder. So once I'm in this folder or I'm anywhere in my Explorer, I can go to the top left where it says new, and I'm going to see folder right there. As you can see, it shows the new folder right here too. And yeah, it's as simple as that. There's nothing else to it.